Man, I was trying not to be late. I guess I was late by a second. Maybe not. Technically, it's 9:30, so I guess I'm not technically late. But we'll see. Whatever what the jury and the chat thinks. I'm just finishing building something out. Let's give me one moment. How's everybody doing tonight? Did everybody see the appreciate? I think I was on time, to be quite honest with everybody. What the hell just happened to my freaking spreadsheet? Oh, it made a new tab. I don't know why. Did everybody listen to the earnings call or see Tesla's earnings? I am. I don't know. I did not see the Trump news. Why is everybody? Why is there always Trump news? Why is there always Trump news? I'll get into what I bought in a little bit. I want to go through Tesla's earnings, and I want to show everybody something. So I made the tables for their gross profit, and I gotta tell you, I was not that impressed with Tesla's earnings, and I was disappointed in the earnings call. Now, let me say that you cannot. You guys are crazy. I'm actually not drinking milk right now. Drinking something else. But we will be having milk and cookies on Saturday night. I'm going to start this off with saying that nobody could have accomplished what Tesla accomplished. Nobody could have accomplished what Elon accomplished. Overall, this is a company that went head to head with the auto manufacturers and won. I just realized my mic is not in front of me, so that's probably a lot better for the sound now. But look, Tesla has done something that no other company would have been able to do. Nobody would have thought that you could have gone up against Ford, GM, and all these other companies, Stellantis, and win with an electric vehicle when they did it. So hats off to Elon. Now, am I streaming with Matt? I mean, I was in his chat. He didn't say anything. I texted him. We'll see what happens. But this quarter did not give me a warm and fuzzy feeling. Here's why. So let me share my screen. I'll get right into it. Then I actually want to watch something with everybody if I can. Let me add this to the stage. So this is their quarterly revenue and quarterly cost of revenue and their gross profit. That doesn't include operating. But this is what I'm worried about. Year over year, in Q3, auto sales went up by 8%, but the cost of revenue went up more on a percentage basis and on a total basis year over year. And their gross profit margin actually declined by 3% on auto. Energy got great growth. You got a little bit more growth in cost of goods, but hold on. Why did that? I don't know why I did that. I'm sorry. There we go. I guess it was the way that I pulled it down. Almost as much in cost of goods as the growth. So even though they grew their actual top line on energy by almost 44%, the cost of doing that was almost the same. That could have been, now I'm not sure because I didn't back my way into the numbers, but that could have been a net loss on energy with the growth. So I don't know. I mean, trust me, I'm glad that the gross profit is over $1 billion. I think that that's huge because when I look at where the gross profit is from the other segments, and I'm not adding regulatory credits in, that's declining. If you saw the earnings and went through the deck, we saw that. But this, to me, I need to see a lot more from them. And it worries me because you have regulatory credits that expired for vehicles in September, and we have the regulatory credits in energy ending in December, I believe, at the end of this year. I don't think people are going and putting 30, 40, $50,000 solar systems with power packs on next year on their houses. And the craze on EVs has died down a lot. So I really do think Optimus and FSD are going to be the main drivers of future growth. And we'll see what happens. I mean, I didn't hear anything in this earnings call that made me think that you're going to get real growth out of either of those for quite some time. I could be wrong, but I listened to it pretty closely, and Mitt almost fell asleep on the earnings call. I'm actually surprised he didn't fall asleep. And, they cannot get FSD out quick enough. And not for robo-taxis. I think robo-taxis is not going to be what everybody thinks it's going to be. I, for one, when I buy a Tesla, my Tesla will never be entered into the robo-taxi program. And I also think that people are discounting how big of a stranglehold Uber has on the market. Just because Tesla ends up putting a robo-taxi out there does not mean people are going to go use the Tesla robo-taxi app. They're still going to use Uber. So I'm not putting much stake in that. I am really looking at FSD as a reason people buy the Tesla vehicle and sign up for the monthly service. I will be. I think other people will be. The call was not good. Elon went off on tangents, kept complaining about compensation. It's like, he's going to get the compensation. There's no way he's not getting the shareholders to sign off. Tesla is one of the biggest, if not the biggest, cult stock there is. He's going to get it. So I don't understand why he keeps harping on this. He needs to focus on the company. He needs to focus on Optimus, and he needs to focus on FSD. For a $1.3 trillion company to be doing these numbers, it doesn't look great. So is Tanner live also? Are you guys saying Tanner's live also? These guys got to stop going live late at night. They should know that, they should do their stuff earlier in the day. But, yeah, I mean, Tesla is a great company. I think there's issues with it. I think there's going to be long-term issues with it unless Elon comes out and says, here's the 5-year roadmap for Optimus. Every manufacturer wants these bots. We won't be able to make them quick enough. For him to say that, now, I don't have the transcript in front of me, but he alluded to he would not feel comfortable making a robot army unless he had a significant stake in the company. He's basically saying that he's not going to be incentivized to do anything with Optimus at scale unless he has a controlling stake, not a controlling stake, but a stake where it would be hard for him to be outvoted. I think that's a problem. I think that's a big problem for Tesla. And I would like, as a Tesla shareholder, see more about Optimus, about the roadmap. Show me that you've talked to, and I know that you can't say names, but a Walmart or a Tesla or an Amazon, and that no matter how quickly you produce robots, they're all accounted for, and the public will not have access to them for at least 5 to 7 years. And it's going to not just going to be upfront revenue, it's going to be reoccurring revenue because it's going to be $50 a month to be hooked up to the Tesla network through Starlink or whatever it is. Because you have to think that these robots are going to need 24/7 communication. They're not just going to be able to rely on Wi-Fi. So I would have liked to see the conference call go much differently. I'm not surprised that Tesla was down after hours. I'm not surprised about anything like that. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it's under 400 tomorrow, to be honest with you. And the one thing I did agree with him, and I've made this argument a lot, I don't think that BlackRock and I don't think that Vanguard and I don't think that any company, I'm not just singling them out, Fidelity, Schwab, State Street, any company, T. Rowe, any company that has an ETF or a mutual fund, any brokerage house should not be able to vote those shares. Think about it. If you have, use round numbers, 100 grand, let's bring up S&P. All right. We'll bring up SPY and I'll share the screen. All right. So right now, Tesla is 2.18%. So that means that for every 100 grand, you have, call it 2,200 bucks worth of Tesla. At $400, that's what, four, just over 5 shares, 5.2 shares. So, and I'm saying 400 because I think it's going to go down to 400. So you have 5.2 shares every 100 grand. If you sell your ETF and you move your money, or forget that, your money's in one of those funds, you're not moving it, but it's your money. You own those shares, like you own them. And that capital is invested across S&P, equal weight or market weight, whatever the fund is. Why does BlackRock and all the houses get to vote those shares? That doesn't make any sense. They shouldn't be allowed to vote those shares. Just because they're the custodian of the account, they don't actually own those shares. You do. I do. It's crazy. So I agree with Elon on that, because how much of corporate governance is dictated to these big brokerage houses that just have a stranglehold on index and total market funds because of pension and 401k plans? I mean, I agree with that 100%. I think it's crazy. Those shares should not be allowed to be voted because they're not their shares at the end of the day. And to that point, I agree with Elon. But I think that they should have spent way more time talking about the future of FSD, when they can expect to be in all the major metropolitan areas, when Optimus is going to be on the market, when we can expect to see it, and when it's going to start being in factories. I mean, I'm not sure why he's not doing that. And think about this, with regulatory credits coming down and the tax incentives coming down, is Q4 going to be a remarkable Q4? Are we going to get a big buying season for vehicles? I don't know. Who knows? I mean, look, the bottom line is Q4 may not be as strong as what we think, and next year may not be as strong on auto as what we think or what it has been, because there's less incentive to go buy an EV without these credits. And the EV craze has not been what it was in the past. So these other verticals could not come quick enough. I hope I'm wrong on robotaxi, but I don't think I am. I've seen a lot of estimates about it. The taxi market is only expected to get to about 430 billion globally over the next couple of years. I could bring the stats up, cited in many articles, and it's just one of those things where Optimus is the future of this company, and they need to start acting like it. So it's just, I wish that call went differently. I'm happy that Tesla is going sideways right now and not really plummeting. But as a 1.3 or $1.4 trillion company, it's going to be harder and harder to justify that valuation, especially if auto starts really softening in the next couple of quarters. So we'll see what happens. I'm really looking forward to next week's earnings. So before I get into that, I will say that I bought something today. I bought more Energy Transfer. I really like that company. It's not right for everybody. It has a K1 package. It's a different tax structure. You get a separate form that you have to file at the end of the year. So if you're interested in something like that, please do your homework. Never buy anything because I do. I happen to like Energy Transfer a lot. I think we're going to need a lot more natural gas and oil and refined products. They're the largest pipeline company by mile at the moment in the US. So they dipped to about 1650 or so. They're paying almost an 8% distribution, and I already own it. I bought more because it went down, and I bought into Q3 earnings. I'll continue to buy it throughout 2026. It's one of my favorite, if not my favorite, pipeline company. And when I make investments like that, I'm making investments like that for the next 5 years, 10 years. I've been an Energy Transfer shareholder since before the pandemic when it was Enterprise Energy Transport Partners. Ticker was ETP, not ET. And you can't replicate their infrastructure. It's next to impossible to do it. So we're going to need a lot more energy. We all saw what Zuckerberg did yesterday, $27 billion freaking data center down in Louisiana. We need more energy. And it's not just about the upstream producers and how they're extracting it. It's how you're transporting it, where you're storing it. Energy transfer is one of the biggest in the game. Also, they have bi-coastal, so the Gulf of America now and the East Coast, they both have exporting on both coasts. So that makes it very interesting also. So I think it's a great play. I've been pounding the table on ET for a long time. If you follow me on Seeking Alpha, I've written about it. It's one of the companies I've written about the most over the years. So and I want everybody to really understand that, like, this isn't something I'm like jumping on the bandwagon about or anything like that. Like, I've been saying this. Keep in mind, it was not easy to be bullish on this company in the pandemic. Okay. It went down to $5 a share. 2018, I started writing about it. And during the pandemic, I was still bullish. I never went bearish or neutral. Like, I was always bullish on this company. I've been on this company for a very long time. It is not going to freaking, if I pull up a chart of it. All right, so the 10-year chart's not pretty. Down 22%. Big chart, not pretty. I mean, it used to be around 35 before the oil crisis in 2015 that destroyed the entire energy infrastructure sector. But this is something that I think can work. I think that the pullback is a good opportunity for me. We are going to need more energy. And my thesis on this is not going to change. Getting paid 7.88% right now. I don't think that this is going back to 35. I also don't think this is going past 35 anytime soon. It may not even get to 35 for another 10 years. I don't know. My fair value on this, I think the last time that I looked at the numbers was it was either $19.50 or $20.50. Personally, I think maybe it goes over a little bit into low 20s over the next couple of years, but that's fine. I mean, I'm happy getting that big distribution and plowing it right back in every quarter and getting more shares. I am perfectly happy with that. That's why I'm in it. And I think eventually it's going to catch a bid. I mean, we look at Oklo. You guys all know. I've been saying this about this company and others. I mean, it's a little hard to take this seriously, being a $20 billion company when they generate no revenue and no freaking profits. I mean, there's a reason it went from 193.84 to 120 in a week and a half. I'm telling you, I think it's going lower. I don't think it should have ever been there. Got caught up in the hype. And I think there's a lot of companies like that. And I don't know where it's going to settle out. It could reverse. It could keep going up. But when small nuclear reactor companies get that type of valuation, and companies like Energy Transfer are sitting on the side with nobody coming into it when it's throwing off a huge distribution and generating huge distributable cash flow, it's crazy. Like, the bottom line is we just need more energy. And I I think that Energy Transfer is one of the best in the game. So I bought more of that, and I bought more a little REIT that, I mean, I think it's undervalued by a little bit. Horrible chart. I like it. I'm taking a winger on it because I like the numbers. It's CTO Realty Growth. I wrote an article about it the other day. Um, I'm very interested to see what the earnings are going to be next week. We'll see what happens. But right now it's trading under book value. The book value on CTO is, what is it, 1743, and it is trading for 1615. So I think it's like an 8 or 9% discount to book. You're getting paid close to 10% on the yield. It's interesting. It's a REIT that's in southeast and southwest US. It's very small REIT. It's nothing like Realty Income or NNN REIT, but I think there's an opportunity there. So we'll see what happens. And then I actually just got done writing my dividend harvesting series article for this week. And in that, I actually bought Verizon, Starwood, and the PIMCO Dynamic Income Fund for this week. So I don't know. I like all those. Chris and I did an episode on Verizon on Monday. I think Verizon is very interesting here. I like it. 6.6 or 6.7% yield. I think it's a misunderstood company, and I think under 40, it's just very misunderstood. I mean, it's crazy. Yeah, Owl is going to be what? Should have bought it in this week. I didn't. Owl may be a next week thing for me. What did it do today? That's such a good company. I do have Blue Owl Capital Corporation, which is their business development corporation. So I do have an indirect play on them, but I will probably be adding Owl. What is this? Give me one sec. What is this? Okay. Yeah, so that's what I did this week. That's what I think about Tesla. I do think that we're going to see, we haven't seen Jassy come out and say anything. We saw Zuckerberg come out. I think Zuck's got some tricks up his sleeve for the earnings call. I think we're going to see Sundar come out and say something on the earnings call that's going to be pretty interesting. So we'll see. I'm not seeing any signs that the spend on chips is going down. I mean, we saw it tonight. What did Elon say? That NVIDIA has to worry about all of these different companies and making chips for all these companies. Everybody's going to NVIDIA for those chips. Like I don't think anything's slowing down right now when it comes to AI infrastructure. Every company's going in on it. So, oh, you know what? I did add some BMNR this week. So I am planning on a buy on Ethereum and BMNR next week. I'm not making that purchase this week. I want to see what happens. But yeah, I'm still bullish on them. I mean, we'll see. But those are things that has to be for a long time. I'm not in those for a quick hit. So to me, those things, I'm just building the positions out and we'll see what happens. But I think Amazon is the one that I'm going to start focusing on again. I think I'm done with NVIDIA for now. Am I? Yeah, I have an even amount of shares. I don't have an odd number anymore, so I'm probably done with NVIDIA for now. And I'll probably start going on the Amazon kick. I think there's a lot of potential there. I think between robotics and between AI, they're going to be able to expand their margin. Hopefully, they can get close to 20% margin over the next couple of years. The way the analysts have Amazon looking, 2029, they'll be a $1 trillion revenue company. And if they can get their margin to 20% by that time, that's $200 billion of operating income. So that would be phenomenal. We'll see. If we could make a milk index, that'd be freaking great. I will tell you that right now. Oh, when is BMNR's earnings? I am actually looking very forward to hearing Tom Lee speak and give that earnings call. There's no announced date. Does anybody know? Does anybody know when they're reporting? I should have asked him that. I'll ask him that tomorrow. 10/29. Awesome. So that's next week. Next Wednesday. That's great. Yeah. Look, I've been an Amazon shareholder for a long time, and I want to buy more. I mean, I'm not. I don't invest for tomorrow. I don't invest for the next day. I invest for very far down the road, and I just think that that's something that's going to be very interesting in a couple of years. The one thing that I need to do due diligence on is genomics. I don't. If anybody knows like a lot about genomics, if anybody's actually in the field, I would love to talk to them because that's something that I think is going to be one of the biggest beneficiaries of AI. I'm looking at ArcG right now. I should have freaking pulled the trigger when I had this thesis. I didn't. I'm kicking myself right now. Just buy the basket, right? I mean, I should have freaking bought this. I mean, I guess I could still buy it from where it was in 2021. Genomics took off. I think we're going to, I mean, I don't know that we're going to do this, but I think this is going to do something because if AI is real, what's the biggest problem that needs to be solved? Cancer, all those types of diseases, blindness, deafness. I think that there's going to be companies in this portfolio that can do things. And I do not know enough about any of this, and I am not in the medical field. And quite frankly, it's not something I really want to start researching. I have one friend that will read through all the medical trials and he'll invest in these little small companies, and he's done really freaking well. And I don't listen to him on anything, and he makes a ton of money doing it. But I don't want to do it. I think I'm just going to buy this at some point because if AI is going to solve the most complex problems, some of the most complex problems are in healthcare, and it's eradicating these diseases. And you got to think that a lot of money is going to pour into this at some point and really get behind some of these companies. So I think ArcG is interesting. I don't know if it's going to work, but I think it's something I'm going to put in my spec portfolio. So, oh no, we'll see. Those were the raw thoughts on Tesla. I'm not touching it right now. I actually have my shares called away. I don't really care. See what happens. Isn't it? Hold on. Can we look at her portfolio? What does she own? There is a stock tracker for her. Is this up to date though? Give me a sec. I'm going to pull it up. Hold on. This is crazy. I've never seen this. You guys are going to freak out when you see this. I don't know if this is right. This isn't my site, obviously. Is this not crazy? Hold on. Like 182 trades since 2014, I guess that is. Is that what that's saying? And I don't know when that 182 is, but seems like she freaking trades a lot. Interesting. Very interesting. So Broadcom. These are just the trades. I want the actual portfolio. Good old Salesforce. All right. I keep sharing the wrong thing. I apologize. I should be sharing the freaking window. So when I switch tabs, everybody can see it. So this looks like it's her portfolio. So Palo Alto, Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Roblox. She owns Roblox. Of course, that's why it went up. Not just me getting extorted by a 9-year-old to buy him Roblox. Nancy owns it. Netflix, PayPal. Interesting, she owns PayPal. Alliance Bernstein, Alphabet, Disney, Tesla, Salesforce, Visa, Micron, American Express. That's a pretty good portfolio. Just saying, that's a pretty stacked portfolio, I gotta say. Pretty stacked. Those were trading card ads. They were. Sunday night, I'm still working on a time, but Ty from Chasing Cardboard will be on Alternative Asset Weekly. I think it's either going to be 9 or 9:30. I'm really looking forward to that interview. It is going to be really. I'm excited. I'm very excited about it. He is a fascinating person. I've watched his content for 2 years, 3 years now, and really excited to talk to him and pick his brain about a few things in alternative assets. I'm still astonished. I never really looked into Pelosi's portfolio. It's pretty interesting, actually. I should pay more attention to what Congress people are doing. Yeah, it seems like she trades a lot. I don't know. Let's see. What else happened? So, wondering, did anybody see what happened with Coca-Cola at all? Because they did pretty freaking good this week. They got a little pop. They outlined 5 to 6% organic growth. I know it's not a company that people usually get excited about, but the reaffirmed 2025 outlook. And believe it or not, these are companies that may be able to catch a bid because they may be very big beneficiaries of AI and optimizing their companies and generating margin off of it. So we could see a broad market rally, which would be nice. It would be nice if more companies participate, not just the tech companies. And I got to think a company like Coca-Cola, I'm a shareholder. I think it could be interesting. I got to look more into this quarter. I didn't read the earnings call yet, but I just saw all the headline stuff. I'm interested again in some of these other companies. I'm going to start looking for value there. I wonder what is SPYV. We're going to pull it up together. The last time I looked at this, 3 tech companies were their largest value companies. Let's see what they have. It's still the same. How on earth? That's crazy, right? The Spider S&P 500 value ETF has Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon as their 3 largest value companies. Crazy. Crazy. That's really crazy to me. And then it goes Exxon, Johnson & Johnson, Berkshire. Really crazy. I don't know if you can consider Apple or Microsoft the value company at these levels. I don't hate Amazon being up there, though. I really don't. I do think Amazon is very interesting here. What do you mean? What do you mean, Matt incoming in 3? How is my Misty doing? It's doing okay. Not great, but I'm not in it for the share price. I don't care about the share price. The only thing I care about is sucking the liquidity out of it. And we'll see. I think I've gotten 24% of my investment back from the distribution since the beginning of June. So we'll see what happens. If I can get to 100%, great. If I don't, oh well. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I don't know. Is what blurry? What are you guys talking about? Yeah, honestly, guys, it's probably my camera. I will figure out a way to get another camera at some point. It's a 4K Logitech. I don't know. Am I really blurry? Okay, I'll figure it out. Let me see if it. Hold on. Let me see if it's my internet connection. I doubt it is. Hold on. Yeah, it's not my internet. I didn't think it was my internet. Hold, guys. Hold on one sec. Hold on. No, there shouldn't be a connection issue. I don't. I'll figure it out. After we're done, I will troubleshoot and see what's going on. But it shouldn't be. I mean, the internet's working fine. I'm getting 400 up and I'm getting 680 down on Wi-Fi. So I think we're good. But looking better now. Okay. Sorry, guys. I don't know. Oh, look at this guy. There's somebody backstage.
Stevie, you think you're better than me?
You know, you always say that whenever I pick up the phone. You're like, you think you're better than me?
It's the truth. Actually, left my stream without the link to your stream. So hopefully, damn, it closed.
You're a good role model, Matt. You're a good role model.
Stream here. Let me pin this.
That camera's off center.
How are you, Steve? Sorry, I'm gonna order.
Ooh, what are we ordering?
I don't know. I was hoping to get off with 30 minutes to spare and hopefully grab something, but I got so into streaming and answering people's questions that it took me.
What are we ordering? Let's go. What are we ordering?
I don't know, but what was it? Unsubscribed or whatever it is from Uber One yesterday. If I can give you a quick story.
Uber One? Okay.
Yeah,
I don't
Uber
know
One.
what that is.
So I live in a gated community, humble brag. No, but I live in a gated community just because, you know, it just keeps critters out and stuff at night.
Sure.
And the basically guy who doesn't speak English, which is fine. I don't get upset with that, but didn't know the gate code, which I always put the gate code in the delivery and in the instructions, and I rarely have issues, but apparently this person just doesn't speak English, which is understandable. And so I say Puerto, gate code, and they got through, and then they randomly dropped off the order at some random house, and I was like, okay, well, sometimes I give them the gate code. There's also a house number with the same number as the gate code in this community. So I was like, okay, maybe they dropped it off there. It wasn't there. I checked a couple houses. I was like, maybe it's there. Couldn't find it. But I knew it was my like neighborhood because of the picture that they saved. I said, I can't find this order. Like, give me a refund. Like, I'm not going to spend all night looking for this. By the time I find it, it's going to be fucking cold. And they said, you can't get a refund because your driver was trying to contact you for 5 minutes and couldn't get a hold of you. And I said, what are you talking about? Like, this is bullshit. Like, he literally just sent me a message about the gate code, and a second later, it was dropped off. So anyway, because of that, I lost $30, and I immediately wrote and I said, I am unsubscribing from Uber One or whatever it is. This is bullshit. And there's that. So
There's
sorry, a story that none of your viewers actually care about, but I just needed to
There's
get
that. Well, I'm interested.
because I know you're a big Uber guy, and you said it out earlier.
I'm not a big Uber guy. I just think that it's a good company.
You're a good company.
Well, so what's for dinner? What are you getting?
I don't know. 450 people. Goddamn, Steven.
What do you mean you don't know? What do you get? I'm interested. I'm getting Chinese.
Ooh.
A little Chinese?
That's what I tried ordering yesterday. I tried ordering Panda Express because they give you can do the a la carte. I'm trying to be a little healthier. But anyway, yeah, didn't get the a la carte yesterday, Steven, because
Interesting.
Somebody else got it.
Somebody else got it. You know, Matt, that's I don't know. That's sad.
What are you getting, Steve?
RE8.
What'd you get?
Don't worry about it.
I'm worried about it because you told me you were going to get something, and then
I did. I did not get what I said I was going to get. I should have, but I didn't.
Was it the boss lady's decision?
No, she wasn't home. She wasn't home. I do want to show you something. I tried sending some stuff to myself last night. Did you? Before I show you this, did you listen to the earnings call from Senor Musk?
Yes, not all of it, but I listened to the majority of it.
What did you think?
I didn't think it was that bad. I thought people were bagging on him a little bit too much for. Maybe I didn't hear everything that he said, but I didn't think he was asking too much of people to vote. Do you think he was? Maybe I missed some parts.
Yeah, I think you missed some parts.
Okay.
And I agree with the chat. You think you're better than me.
I do think I'm better than you.
I know you. See, here's the part. I don't think I know you're better than me.
No, that's far from. You're a good-looking guy. The Milk Gang doesn't. The Milk Gang is the Milk Gang. I don't even have a gang.
I mean, I may have to change it to Milk Mob and create a company called the Milk Mob Media.
Oh, 3M.
3Ms. Not to be confused with 3M, but yes.
Milwaukee. What is that? Milwaukee what?
What?
What's 3M stand for? Milwaukee something?
Oh, I have no idea, actually.
Oh.
No freaking clue. So
actually, IBM stands for International Business Machines. Get the fuck out.
War Dogs is such a good movie. I love that movie. So what did you think of my little energy transfer buy today?
Hold on, let me find out. Nope, that's not 3M. Name Milwaukee.
Oh, these are when I show you what I'm freaking. Oh my god, I cannot. I'm doing these one by one so they come through. Is last night I tried sending myself a bunch of pictures.
I don't know.
It didn't come through.
Minnesota manufacturing something.
Interesting.
There you go. Minnesota mining manufacturing. Thank you. There. See? Oreos. Fuck, I would destroy some Oreos.
Oh, that sounds so good right now.
What kind of Oreos, though?
Plain.
I told you I had the shit.
Original.
What type of Oreo? Well, I had the original for sure, but oh yeah, I get mistaken for Jonah Hill all the time. But Jonah Hill's like super thin now.
Was it you that I was talking to that was like, I forgot he was in the movie Accepted?
Yes, it was me. Dude, Accepted is such a fucking hysterical movie.
Such a good movie.
You know what I was watching earlier and made me think of you because you said you think it's a great. I watched a clip from Hurt Locker.
I did not say that that's a good movie, by the way.
I thought you did.
No,
You didn't like it?
it's okay. Look, my favorite football movies are probably in this order. Friday Night Lights is the best football movie there is. Then Remember the Titans. Then The Program. Then Any Given Sunday. Then Varsity Blues.
Hurt Locker is a football movie?
Isn't it?
Hurt Locker is like a military movie.
What am I thinking of then? What freaking what football movie am I thinking of?
Hurt Locker is with shit. What's his name?
I'm getting my movies mixed up. Probably
Shit.
because I'm trying to do something also.
Hurt Locker cast. Jeremy Reiner and Anthony Mackie.
It's actually not. I mean, I've seen it. It's just not ringing a bell at the moment.
Ah, I thought you said Hurt Locker. Don't listen to me. What was it saying? Yeah, War Dogs is great.
War Dogs is such a good movie.
But what did I think of your ET? I like ET here. I'm not upset about by ET. And he should phone home.
ET should phone home, you said?
Yeah. Oh, Steven.
Matt.
I just saw you sent it to me on Sunday when we were talking cigars, but I just saw the picture again and it's getting fired
I
up.
got news for you. You said you're going to a cigar bar. You're like, what type of cigar should I get? What coffee should I get? I don't even get a picture.
What did I end up getting?
I don't even get a picture. It's not okay.
I actually, believe it or not, met two gentlemen. Well, one gentleman who follows both Amit and Chris Patel.
Okay. The real
on
question
X,
is, what'd you get to smoke?
I got something called a Lyle cigar. Hold on. Is that what it's called?
Wait till you see all these pictures of steak I'm sending myself, dude. I'm very excited for the chat to see it. Very excited.
Well, apparently Lyle is a Middle Eastern restaurant that I need to go to. But
you know a movie I think I'm gonna watch tonight? I think I'm gonna watch 13 Hours again later. I really like that movie.
I think you should, Steven.
I think I should too. All right, I'm going to pull this up. So last night I tried showing some pictures and I don't think that they came out well. The hell is this? Oh, of course they come through now. Ridiculous. All right, let me download these. This needs to get downloaded. Now I want to go cook. I am gonna do a cooking stream.
What are you gonna cook?
I don't know. That's a good question, Mr. Matt. That's a damn good question. How can I share these? Can I just share the one? Hold on. Everybody bear with me for one moment. We're going to try something here. We are going to try something.
I feel like tonight's going to be a night where I get lost in my Instagram Explorer page for a good 7 hours.
All right. So these are some of the pictures I was trying to show last night on the phone. So hold on. All right. What do you think of these, Matt?
Did you make this, Steven?
Oh, not right now, but I mean, those are some pretty thick freaking bone-in ribeyes.
There are some hefty boys.
There's some hefty boys.
I would have to get that ass to be cooked medium because
There's some hefty boys.
I know the inside would definitely not be medium rare. If I were to ask for this medium rare,
some hefty boys
because they're hefty, they're thick. That's why I've started to ask people like
it's the same boy.
Like, how do you like it cooked? And I'm like, well, how thick is the cut? Because if
you have to ask, is it 1.5? Is it 2 inch? Like, is it only an inch? Like,
if it's an inch, then cook it medium rare. But if we're talking 2 inches, then give me medium because otherwise it's going to be too.
Why are people saying this is AI? No, this is me. 100%.
By the way, that's the cleanest grill I've ever. Do you clean it after every time you use it, or
no? That's disgusting. I have a second one in the backyard now.
He has 2 grills.
Yeah.
And you think I'm rich?
So when we got another one, we kept the old one, so we had more. So this one is a 4-burner. We put a 6-burner in and kept this one so we have extra space for like vegetables and stuff. But I mean,
well cooked, perfectly cooked.
And now this is what was.
Mitt would send it back.
Of course. No, actually, I won't say that because when we went out to lunch the other day, he had medium just like me. The waiter came by and I said, "Tell me your definition of fiery pink." That's what I want. I want fiery pink, and I want it to freaking burst when I bite into it. That's what I said. Because every restaurant's going to be different, so that's what I'm going to say. I'm no longer saying medium or medium well. I'm saying fiery pink, and I want it to burst in my mouth. And he got it the same way as me. So, I mean.
Perfectly cooked, Steven.
Right? And then these were some of my favorite steaks. Matt, when they came out, I was like, they better chop all the freaking just stuff off of it. I don't even know what the right term is. You know what I'm talking about when they get the freaking utensils out and start trimming it down. I'm like, these things are going to be so expensive. They don't trim all that shit off of it. But I mean, those freaking loins are still on. Like, it was the whole side of the freaking cow when they brought that out.
That's insane.
Have
you ever bought a whole? Oh my god!
A bunch of fillets.
Have you ever bought
look how thick those
are. A whole cow or?
No, I haven't.
What's the seasoning?
This I did teriyaki style.
That's not a bad idea.
Sometimes it comes out good. Teriyaki.
The teriyaki, was it did you marinate it in teriyaki or was that just like a quick coat before
No. If I do teriyaki, I start it the night before.
Okay.
And I let it sit in the fridge overnight, and then I pull it out for a couple of hours, bring it up to room temperature, throw a little base on again.
You got me thinking about steak.
Well, I always think about steak.
Good steak, some nice broccoli, some steamed broccoli.
I'm always thinking about steak.
I'm thinking about you thinking about steak. How about that?
I mean,
I'm excited, man. What's better time for you? Is Thanksgiving or Christmas better?
Listen, Thanksgiving is probably my favorite holiday. Well, I have two. I like them both. I like Thanksgiving for the food. I like Christmas because I buy my nephew a bunch of stuff. So I like them both for different reasons. But
yeah, I love how you talked about you getting hustled the other day on stream. That was so funny.
Dude, he freaking extorted me. I'm the reason Roblox is up, okay? I am the reason Roblox is up. It's because my nephew extorts me.
We have Arby's? I know. Arby's is disgusting, but all right, let me type steak. Oh, okay. Sorry. I'm glad I checked. It's at my buddy's address. I don't order on DoorDash, but I'm boycotting.
Oh, Maddie. I gotta show you these. Hold on.
The 4th is a great time, especially if you got somebody with a good cookout, good fam.
What I need to do is get a Traeger. Is what I need to do.
Steven, don't start with me.
Why?
Do you like hot dogs, Steven? Are you a
No.
hot dog guy? No.
I'm not. No.
Are you a sausage guy?
No. Yeah, I don't hate sausage.
All right. So the thing that's nice about a Traeger, you're talking about like a smoker, right? Like a legit.
Yes.
Okay. The thing that's dangerous about that, so you can get for $100, less than $100, you can get a remote Wi-Fi, not Wi-Fi. You can get a remote Bluetooth thermostat, and so you can
Right, give me one
get
sec.
this. All right, you're good.
This is from the farm. All right, this is from Goodell Farms. Freaking some of the freshest freaking steaks I've had. Oh my god.
Steven, you need to start blurring out the names so they sponsor you. Okay.
No, I don't care.
I'm just kidding.
I want them to do well. Like, let me tell you something. Their freaking food is so awesome.
That's a good
Like,
looking steak.
dude, I got their freaking veal chops from there.
Oof.
Oh my god. Oh my god. You know what I'm gonna do? I may order from Snake River Farms, Omaha, and 6666 and see who has a better steak.
Wait, they 666 delivers?
Yeah.
Let me see. Snake River is not cheap.
No, it's not.
I wonder if 666 is cheap.
I've never ordered anything from 666 Ranch.
I've gotten the jerky.
I feel like I have to.
So if you order, let's see. If you're doing that, I would definitely. What does this mean?
I thought you could order from. You can't order meat from here? I thought you could. Am I crazy? Is it just apparel? Or am I on the wrong site?
No, you can. Looks like. Ooh. Would you smoke it though, or would you grill it?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
Prime ribeye. How big is this ribeye?
I'm telling you, this is going to
for
start a
$55
cooking channel at some point. Yeah, guys, I love lamb chops. I love steak. I love all that stuff. No, you guys did not miss the chef interview. It's my fault. I did not give him enough time. He couldn't come on. I need to let him know earlier in the day. I will get him on. I got to figure it out.
Oh, I'm back up, Steven?
No. I was supposed to have him on last night.
Oh, last night.
Yeah. That's why they're asking.
And was back up? That's messed up.
No, that's why they're asking if they missed him, because he was supposed to come on last night. I didn't give him enough time, blah, blah, blah. Matt, can I get your opinion about something?
Yeah. And I'm just kidding. Sam's great.
What do we think about this? I mean, everybody in the chat's going to be like, Steve, you got issues. I know they're going to say it. I don't care.
You don't need to preface that, but what's the question?
I'm telling you, this guy's YouTube channel is so fire, Matt. It's unfreaking believable.
Well, I don't know Steven. I was thinking about sending you a pecan pie for
dude,
Thanksgiving. Do you like pecan pie? If so, I'll definitely.
It's all right. I mean,
all right. Is this window open? I'll just jump out. No, I'm just kidding.
Hold on. Like, where is his?
I don't know what it is, but this John Cannell guy looks like I could trust him.
Oh, yeah, I would say you can trust this guy. Like,
I just moaned.
I get so excited by this stuff. Like,
I did, dude. You know what's underrated? Blueberry pie is underrated.
So underrated.
You know what my favorite is though for pie is apple pie with like a nice warm vanilla bean.
I mean,
not warm vanilla bean, a warm apple pie with vanilla bean.
Look at this. Like, this guy is something else. I'm telling you, this guy is something else. You got to check him out. But I like a combo blackberry raspberry pie stuff
Ooh,
like that. Like I get down on that stuff.
blackberry. I'm a big blackberry guy.
Same here. Same here.
Blackberry,
Same here.
raspberry. Oof. Like if you can give me a blueberry pomegranate, that's when you said the blueberry pomegranate drinkable yogurt got me so fired up.
Dude, so far. I don't want to I don't want to reiterate stuff because I don't want everybody to get like bored, but I want Matt's opinion on one thing. So it'll only be 30 seconds,
That's all I
everybody.
need, Steven. Sometimes
Matt,
less.
you're a pizza guy, right?
Yeah. I mean, I can't eat as much as I used to, but I did have a slice in New York. It was probably not the best place, but it blew my dick off. The buffalo was
Matt,
left to be
how about
desired.
this? Do you think that I haven't been here yet? I gotta go.
Let me see.
They only make a certain amount of pies a day. Once they're done with the dough that they make in the morning and the afternoon, they shut down.
So it's like an old school coal fire.
It's supposed to be no. I think John's on Bleecker is the best pizza, but I haven't had this. People are saying this is better than John's on Bleecker, which is like crazy to me.
So that looks like a pizza that you would get out of Italy.
I mean, it looks so legit.
It looks fluffy. It looks
so legit. So
when are you going?
I wish we could watch freaking Portnoy's reviews on here. I would love to do that. Just sit here and watch reviews with everybody. Like, love it. Oh my God. Thank you so much for the super chat.
What is that? GTQ? What is
that?
Greek?
Sirius NYC. I'm going to bring the website up. You're right. Look, this is the hottest pizza place in New York City right now. I actually don't know anybody that's gone down there yet, personally.
What's GTQ, Steven?
What's what?
GTQ 14. It's not US dollars. What is that?
I have no idea.
I'll find out. It's interesting. I always I'm a big fan of understanding currencies. Guatemalan.
Tell me they don't have a web. Tell me they're so cocky that they don't have a freaking website. Are you kidding me?
Who?
The pizza place. So if I'm on Instagram, can I play a Portnoy review? Or will that get me demonetized, Matt?
I was thinking about this. Let's try something else. So pull up like CNBC, and then I think what you might be able to do is you can show CNBC, and then I think you can make you big, but the video small. And so, like, obviously, if you have like what I'm trying to think of is like,
yeah, Amit always says CNBC doesn't care. I'm asking about Portnoy.
I know, but what I'm saying is like if you were to have something so small, will the algorithm be able to pick it up?
I have no idea.
And that's kind of where I'm like,
I'm gonna do some research. But yes, Sirius NYC is supposed to be like the place. It's no slices. It's only pre-orders. I mean, you can walk in and try, but the wait's like 30 minutes to an hour. I am going down there. I don't know when it is. Their Instagram has 89,000 followers. Think about that.
Steven.
A pizza place that has 89,000 followers. Yeah, only way to find. I am going to go. I'm going to go, Rob. Thank you. I appreciate it. I am going to go at some point.
Rob paid for it.
Yeah, I'm going.
With his Guatemalan.
But I'm going. I am freaking going.
Am I coming with you?
If you want to come to New York, I'll take you there.
In New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do.
We're going to get to the moment show videos.
I'll stop singing. You might get demonetized. Like, holy shit, is that what's her face?
Yeah. Why is pizza so amazing? So they're saying it's highly likely because it's probably the stuff Portnoy stuff is probably copyrighted.
Was
Interesting.
it Portnoy's copyrighted? But you can share a picture. There's nothing Steve can't do.
You need to stop.
The milking is in front of you.
You should make a whole Christmas album.
Nothing beats the Frank Sinatra Christmas album.
He does have the voice of an angel. Oh yeah, you know what? We'll do that. I will share. I'm gonna go on YouTube. I'm gonna share the Portnoy video. Hold on.
You can share it. That's right. That's a good way.
We could do that. One bite. Everybody knows the rules.
Still trying to find the perfect place to get a steak.
All right, so I can't show it, but here's the review. This is the hottest pizza in New York. So
you're the hottest pizza in New York, Steven.
I wish I was.
I will say, shout out to my boy Uzi. We went when we were in Miami. We went to a place called Moxie's, and I found out they have a place in Houston.
Why
I'm about to order.
that?
They might have something in New York. But yeah, they have steak bites. And the steak
Do you
bites
own
so
Berkshire,
good.
Matt?
No, I'm too poor.
I used to own it. I got rid of it.
I don't think it's bad.
I got rid of it. Probably shouldn't have. There are other things I wanted to get, though. Definitely other things I wanted to get. But yeah, this place is like heaven, I guess. That's what everybody's saying. It's heaven. Looks like heaven.
You look like heaven.
I got to tell you, I would like to sit down with Portnoy and have a conversation with him over pizza. That'd be awesome. For like 30 minutes. Be fucking great.
How much would you pay for that?
Nothing. Just saying, I would like to do it. I would like to sit down and have pizza with him.
What if you had the opportunity to pay for it?
What is it? What is this? Paying for lunch with Buffett type thing?
Yeah.
I mean, if the money went to charity, I'd consider it. You still haven't figured out what you're getting for dinner? I mean, what should Matt get for dinner?
I'm getting steak. I just need to find where from.
It's 9:30 at night. Where the hell are you getting steak from?
You got to ask. Can't afford it, Steven.
Is there a Morns by you? They're probably open still. They probably don't close till 11.
Beyond Meat Burger.
Oh, can we talk about Beyond Meat? Like, why are people infatuated with Beyond Meat? Like, why are we talking about plant-based meat?
Uzi, I might get Moxie's, bro. You just get in here. What about Beyond Meat?
Like, why are people obsessed with Beyond Meat again?
I think they just got a contract with Walmart or something. Did you see that?
Who's eating that stuff?
Who's eating Beyond Meat?
Yeah,
I tried it once, dude, and it tasted like death.
I'm never trying that stuff. Like, I'm sorry, but we have molars for a reason. Like, what are we doing? I don't get it. I don't understand why people are going crazy over freaking Beyond Meat.
I go crazy for Steven.
Yeah, I need to start making T-shirts. I mean, I gotta tell you, the chat came up with some interesting stuff. They want me to make a T-shirt, no cookie left behind.
I like it. I also want you to make one that says "I don't care." I would like that.
Well, I don't care. It's gonna become one, but no cookie left behind. Like, I would definitely do that.
His name is Steven.
No cookie left behind.
Ooh,
I don't know, man. We need to get, you know what you and me need to do? We need to get the S tier software, and we need to start really doing full tier videos and stuff. I really want to start doing that.
Of what specifically?
Start out with cookies first, every type of chocolate chip cookie that comes in a package, and then move our way down to cereal and everything else.
Cereal, I'd be 100% for.
Like, cereal's amazing.
I would. Yes.
I could
I will do
crush
that.
a bowl of cereal right now. And no, I don't do seafood. I don't get down on seafood.
Ever hit up a drive-through? I've done drive-through daiquiris for sure. I've definitely done the drive-through decks.
Oh, whoa. I got news for everybody. Smith and Walensky's. I'm going to say something sacrilegious right now.
Say it.
Last time I went there, I was not impressed. Maybe I went on an off night. I went there at like 6 o'clock. I was not impressed.
It is a chain.
They have more than one?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Oh, wait. I'm like 80% certain they have one here.
May. Yeah, they're on 49th and 3rd.
Oh, they closed the one in Houston. I'm thinking McCormick and Schmick's.
McCormick and Schmidt. I remember that place.
But yeah, Smith and Walensky, we had one here in Houston, but it got closed down permanently.
Interesting. Yeah, Smith and Walensky, it's still good. I don't know. Last time I went there, I was not impressed. The place I went to would admit was freaking great. I really enjoyed it. I think it's better than where we went. I'll take you there next time you come in.
I'm more concerned about the company. I want to see my guy, Milkman Senior.
What do you mean?
You. I want to see you.
Yeah, so we'll go get some steaks. Oh, look. Somebody else said Smith and Walensky on 3rd Ave definitely went downhill. Your buddy has a plaque there. That's freaking great.
What's the plaque for? Like a regular? Or?
You know what? So here's something. You ever watch those food videos where they rank a bunch of different places? So I watched this video where it ranked all these different steak chains. And I think they put Longhorns at number 1. I've never been to a Longhorns. Ever. And Morton's.
I mean, you're going to be disappointed.
I was very disappointed that they did not have Morton's higher on the list. Because I've never had a bad meal at Morton's.
Morton's is a chain?
Yeah, there's a lot of them.
I don't know if I've ever been to Morton's.
Never been to Morton's?
I don't think so.
Interesting. Oh, somebody knows somebody knows a lot right now. Benjamin's is freaking A1. I agree with you, sir. A1, Benjamin's, same sentence. Absolutely. Benjamin's is freaking great. There must be a bunch of people from New York in here.
From New York.
There must be. Unless you heard me rambling about freaking Benjamin's the other night. Like, Benjamin's freaking great. Mastro sounds so freaking familiar, and I can't remember if I've been there or not. Hold on. Let's go to their website. Have I freaking been here or not? Well, I say page not found for the website. Oh, here we go. Where is this freaking? This looks. One 1285 6th Avenue. This is. I'm actually not sure if I've been here or not. This reminds me, whoever said Mastros, is this like STK steak at all?
STK is pretty good.
Is this what it's giving me the vibes of freaking STK? But yeah, I'm gonna say it. I've never been to Mastros. Are they open for lunch? Maybe I'll walk over and have lunch there. You know, that's my favorite thing, Matt. I don't even like going to steakhouses at night anymore. I like going to steakhouses for lunch, getting a full steak. There's nobody there, and I have the place to myself. It's freaking great.
Steven, I like to hear that.
Like, there was 6 people at Uncle Jack's when Matt and I went. When is this place open? Yeah, I'll go.
Uncle
I'll try.
Steven's?
Okay. You know
People are
what?
saying
We got some Long Islanders out here. I've been to Tellers, love Tellers. Do you want to take a guess, Matt, of why it's called Tellers?
used to be a strip club.
No.
Oh.
No.
Used to be a bank.
Yes.
Okay.
Used to be a
I don't know why. When you said teller, I was like show and tell. I don't know. Like, yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, it used to be a bank. It's a pretty cool place. Very good food. Very good food.
Do they have a vault in there?
Very good food. I actually don't know.
These are things we need to know. Steve.
It's better than STK. Okay, listen, STK is pretty good, so I will definitely try it. I'm down. I'm gonna agree. The burger at Luger's, even though I talk so much shit about Luger's, the burger at Luger's is great. I will tell you.
I'm glad you addressed it because I was curious if you were going to address that.
What?
Because you're against Luger's.
Yeah, I think Luger's is very overrated. Very, very, very overrated. But
what else is overrated?
Freaking great.
Hold
on a second. All right. I know that you are a LI person. I will tell you right now. I don't want to. So,
get him, Steven.
No, I shouldn't say this publicly. I really shouldn't say this publicly, but I'm going to. Let's just say that at that place, somebody slipped something in my drink.
Oh.
And I've never been back.
But I won't ask.
Now, it was weird because I was with my best friend who was in the 82nd Airborne and my wife, and I can freaking drink. First drink, finished not even half of it, and I will tell you that I was stumbling going to the bathroom to try and make myself throw up.
That's insane.
Yeah, it was freaking crazy. Now, I also don't think it was meant for me because why would somebody want to slip something in my drink?
I mean, you're the milkman.
But yeah, it was not good.
That's insane.
Yeah.
That's really insane. Well, I'm glad you're okay.
Yeah, I definitely was a little loopy for a good 5-6 hours.
They want to do tenderloins.
Man, that's what I went there for. I wanted their tenderloins.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't hate this. I'm not putting STK1 and I'm putting Keen's above Gallagher's, but I don't hate that. Those are 3 places I'd go to. I definitely don't hate that.
I'll tell you, I had a great meal at STK in Vegas.
STK's legit.
The service was good. I didn't want for anything. It was a very memorable meal with great friends. So
I almost want to do a freaking restaurant review channel now. Like just go around to restaurants. Like I love eating at restaurants.
Once a month, I fly up. I black out with Steve on camera. Just kidding.
I mean, do you think we could build a channel around that? Like, does everybody in the chat think that could become like a real channel? Like, if I was to go around different restaurants in New York and just film my freaking lunch?
Probably. Dave Portnoy did it. I mean, that's the thing. It's like Friends, right? Some people are like 50-50, not 50-50, but some people are like, Friends wasn't that great of a show, but when you're in the middle of New York and it's based around New York, everyone's going to watch it that's in New York because it's based in New York.
Yeah, same thing with Seinfeld.
Same as Seinfeld, right? It's like you're basing it in like one of the biggest cities in the world. Like you're automatically getting a huge viewer base, right?
Oh yeah, guys, listen. Everything I do is live. And if I put a video out, there's no I don't have time to edit, nor do I have time to learn how to edit. Like if I put a video out, if a video is on my channel, there's a 0% chance it's edited. 0%. I don't have time for that.
Good man.
Raw thoughts usually turns into raw everything thoughts. There's no question about that. Yeah, people are popping in and saying that, of course, I'm on food talk. Yeah, we start with stocks, and then it ends up going into food. Like
we didn't stay on stocks for very long. We pretty much went straight.
Well, I did. You came.
Well, that's true. I came in 40 minutes late.
You came in 40 minutes late, sir.
Yeah, that's true.
You came in 40 minutes late.
I don't even know what stocks you talked about.
Oh, and listen, for all you Long Islanders, because I think there's 3 or 4 of you in the chat, I'll tell you the best Chinese food is Hunan Taste. Just saying.
Oh.
Doesn't matter when I drive by that place, it is always freaking packed.
Mobbed.
Like straight mobbed. Straight
mobbed. I love that term. Mobbed. Love it.
Somebody's saying yes. They must know. I'm gonna pull it up. Don't worry, I'm gonna pull it up.
Pull it up for me, Steven.
Dude, it is so legit.
Steve, that was actually my what did Matt order for dinner? I'm still looking. That's why I'm on my phone.
I can't believe that you haven't. They have an X account? No freaking way.
Who?
They have an X account. That's crazy.
Oh, noodle box. It looks so good, but I shouldn't eat noodles.
They don't have a good freaking gallery though. Hunan Taste is the best Chinese food.
What was it to say? Honestly, what was I going to say? So obviously my channel is Matt Money, right?
Right.
You could apply that to anything. Matt travels, Matt eats, Matt. Right. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like that was originally what I was thinking about. Like if I were to do YouTube full time, that would be what I do. Like if I ever did like a food review, Matt eats. If I ever did like a hotel review, Matt travels, right? Like maybe do the vlogs on those channels particularly, but if I ever talk about stocks, then so anyway, that's originally what my brand was, because I'm just a guy, I'm just a guy hoping to get acquired by AK Media.
Are we all trying to get acquired by AK Media?
Yeah.
AK Media needs to branch out.
AK Media needs.
Dude, he almost fell asleep on the earnings call listening to Musk.
It was funny. He had that same. Well, he had a reason to. When we were at Palantir in New York, he was on very little sleep because he just came back from the Rocket Lab event. And I was looking over at him, and he didn't have his phone. Like he's energized by his phone. You guys in the chat energize him, right?
Yes.
So without him having his chat, without him having his phone connected on X, YouTube, etc., like you could just tell, like that environment was just not where he thrives. So it was very funny. I just got
a text message. When you talking about Heat?
Heat the movie?
Yeah.
When we
I got news for everybody. Italian heroes are overrated. I don't know why.
Like subs, sandwiches?
Yeah, like if I'm eating Italian, like I don't want an Italian freaking hero?
First and foremost, they're called hoagies.
No, they're not. They're called
Yes,
heroes, sir.
they're called hoagies.
They're called heroes. Now I need to go to YouTube and I gotta freaking go on my channel and put a poll out. And I know the hoagies is gonna be more popular, but it's not real.
It's Saber hoagie.
Hold on. Hold on. We gotta put a poll out. Start a poll.
Cactus Jack was acquired by AK Media.
What is it called? Hero. How you spell hoagie?
Hoagie.
Hoagie.
IE.
We're so ridiculous. This is the most ridiculous poll I've ever put out. And I put out some ridiculous polls before. Hero or hoagie? Like, come on. Of course, hoagie's 100%.
100%.
Ridiculous.
If it travels, let me know so I can vote.
Just go to YouTube. You can vote.
I know, but
There's 40 votes already, and 70% are saying freaking hoagie.
yeah, because hoagie is America.
No, it's freaking a hero.
Are you talking about a sub? People are like, "What are hoagies and what are heroes?" I don't even understand what you're talking about.
It's a
called
freaking
Subway.
hero.
It's called Subway for a reason, Steven.
No. No. I'm not buying it. I'm not buying it, sir. I'm not freaking buying it. And of course, John's on Bleecker refuses to even get in the conversation, so they call it a sandwich. Sorry, that's not a sandwich, sir.
Tell him, Steven.
It's a freaking hero.
You're my.
Let's see what Patsy says.
Patsy's is a good time.
We're gonna see what Patsy says.
Bet they call it a hoagie.
Hold on. Now I'm getting freaking hungry.
As you should. People are like, it's called a sandwich or a torta. I need a torta, but not a sandwich. I need a legit torta.
A what?
Yeah, what is curry? Is like Indian a big thing in New York or not really?
Maybe, I don't know. This is very odd. They don't even have it on here. I've ordered it before. That doesn't make any sense. I'm still saying it's a freaking hero.
You're my hero.
You're my hero, Matt.
There goes my hero. His name is Steven.
Man, look at this. Look at
You're going to get
this.
demonetized because of my voice.
Hold on. I gotta tell you, Matt, this is. Look at how. Oh.
I regret not getting a slice from Patsy's while I was there.
I told you to. You freaking. I don't know why you didn't. We were right there.
I regret it.
I am telling you.
That chicken parm, dude. Holy shit. Is that the fourth picture?
Yeah.
Look at the goldenness on that.
It's so legit. I mean, let me just tell you something.
Tell me, Steven.
I think Portnoy gave them an 8.8.
That's a great for the pizza?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
I think I think Portnoy gave them an 8.8. I'm telling you, there's an argument that they're an 8.9 or a 9.1. There's an argument to be made. There really is. Their food is that good, and you would never think so when you walk in. The food's incredible.
So is John's on Bleecker for you is what?
I put John's on Bleecker like 9.5, 9.6. Portnoy's got it for 9.4. John's on Bleecker is hands down my favorite pizza in the city. It's a 9.5, 9.6.
But what's the best pizza in the world? Like, is that still John's?
I mean, I like it better than New Haven. So I said it before, Brooklyn pizza is better than New Haven pizza. I still think Frank Pepe's and Sally's are 9.2s, 9.3s. I think Modern is a 9.1-ish. Like, very great pizza. But overall, there's so much good pizza in Brooklyn. Like, there's a lot of freaking great pizza. I mean, Matt, doesn't that make you excited?
Pizza makes me excited.
Like,
ooh, calamari fires me up, dude. Good calamari.
It's so good. And it's so freaking light. Like, I need to get a sponsorship from one of these places.
I'm a big light. I like a good light, fluffy pizza.
Like, Matt, in all seriousness, you don't even feel like when you eat this stuff, you don't even feel like you're eating pizza. Like, it's
like
so
John's.
light.
John's is that light?
John's is light too. Yeah, it's not that thick football pizza.
So it's like not the dough hasn't been rolled to shit where it's super thick. It's like super airy and light. You could order like three pies. And
somebody I know is in the chat. I'm gonna send you a link to your email. Come on, I'm texting you right now.
Is it our boy Ken?
No,
I've never tried salted pepper squid.
we'll see if he actually comes on or not. I doubt he's going to, but we'll see.
His name is Steven. How'd your article go, Steven? I want to ask.
Check your email. I don't even know what to call you at this point. I know you probably don't want your name out there, so check your email. We can talk some heat.
Was your article go well, Steven?
You know what's interesting? Did you watch Cuomo on Impulsive?
Cuomo, he went on?
Yeah.
I saw Mandani went on. I didn't see Cuomo went on.
No, when? He went on Logan Paul's thing?
Oh, not Impulsive. He went on what's Andrew Schultz's?
Oh, Flagrant?
Yeah, Mamdani went on Flagrant.
Did he really?
Yeah.
I'm going to have to watch it.
Which I really like Schultz, and if anybody can get him to talk like he's
a New
Schultz.
Yorker.
Yeah. I actually will watch it. I'm curious to see what the hype is all about.
Here's what's interesting. Cuomo said, and I've never been here, all right? So I don't know if it's good or not. He said the best pizza in New York is Gabby's Pizza on Hillside Avenue. I've never been there. And I am talking myself into going tomorrow.
Steven, maybe it's the first of Steve.
I'm on their
first of your new
website.
channel.
Oh.
All
right. This is worth showing. Now, I would like to think that Governor Cuomo has visited a lot of establishments in New York where he was the governor. He grew up in Queens.
It looks pretty tasty.
I mean,
more of a football style pizza.
More of a football style pizza.
Ooh, they got a Sicilian there? I fuck with a good Sicilian every once in a while, though. Not my first choice, but
I'm interested.
where's that at? It's close to you?
I mean, I
Close
could
to
go.
the
I could go there. I could go there. I could be talked into this.
Should I show up for it?
I could be talked into this. You don't have to twist my arm for a good time.
I'm flying in tomorrow.
Oh, okay. So the person who just texted me, yes, and best pizza is freaking great. It's incredible, actually, I think. Definitely, like minimum score for best is like an 8.8. It's that good.
Really?
Interested to see what you think about that person who texted me. And if you want, there's I'm going to share a link in the chat. This is where so there's still 300 people here. So I know that everybody, or I like to think everybody likes pizza. I'm going to link something in the chat because I can't play it. One night I'm going to play this and get demonetized on purpose just to watch with everybody. So hold on. I'm going to put the link in the chat. It's worth watching. Okay. So this is the guy who owns Best Pizza and Mark who owns Locale. It's the original New York Slice, the pizza show. I cannot tell you how many times I've freaking watched this.
I swear, this is a Rickroll.
don't even know
Can you
that
imagine you just Rickroll 300 people?
What's a Rickroll?
Like, God, you're serious?
Yeah, I have no idea what a Rickroll is. What's a Rickroll?
Let me Rickroll you.
No, I don't want to be Rickrolled. I'm scared. What's a Rickroll?
Let me Rickroll you.
Guys, why is Matt Rickrolling me? No, I legitimately do not know what a Rickroll is. Like, I'm not messing with you guys. I have no idea what a Rickroll is.
I think this is a good one to use. Yeah, this is perfect. All right. Let me get to your stream. Raw thoughts. Here you go. All right. So Rickroll would be like, oh my God, like this pizza place is phenomenal.
Right.
I'm gonna share a video with you, and then you just like post it in the chat, and then like so you don't need to share it with everybody, but click on it, and then
all right, so I'm gonna go click on it.
Yeah.
All right, hold on. Where is Maddie Money?
I posted at 10:07.
Send it again. I'm not saying it. Oh no, I found it. What the hell is this? It's not doing anything. It's doing something. What? Dude. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Rickroll, bitch! Let's go!
What's wrong with you?
That's Rickroll. That's what it is. You just get...
What, sending that exact video is a Rickroll?
Yeah, I'd be like, dude, I can't believe it. Like, you just like this out of nowhere. Like, if you were to send, like, for example, prime example, you'd be like, admit, I just found this crazy article on Tesla, or this crazy YouTube video on Tesla, and you send him that, and he's gonna click on it, and he's gonna watch that video, and he's gonna be like, what the fuck? That's a Rickroll.
It was the music video of Never Gonna Let You Go.
Yes. 100%.
I have no idea what Rickroll is, guys. I don't know what to tell you. I have no freaking clue.
Because it's Rick Astley. You're getting Rickrolled.
Okay. Okay.
Can you do it tomorrow to admit?
I guess so.
I don't know. You don't have to, but it's I mean it's been around for quite some time.
I've never heard of that. Ever. What are we gonna Rickroll admit with?
Um,
Do it in front of 10K people.
yeah, well, we got to think like,
Yeah, but we need a good one though. Everyone in the chat, we need a good one to freaking rickroll him at. Oh no! All right, so I do send him at reels. Like I'll send him reels of Rocky Four of Stallone just freaking training in the freaking snow, because I know he's never seen the movie. He's never gonna watch the movie.
was this Twitter post about you the other day then?
No. He's in. So I asked him that because I called him up. I'm like, "Are you talking about me?" Because if you're
Like,
talking about
you don't like my reels, bro?
no, I said to him, I'm
Like,
like,
I will jump out this window right
no, I
now.
said, I'm like, I'm gonna go buy 3 freaking burner phones and not give you the number. And I'm just gonna continuously send you freaking reels. And then when you block those numbers, I'm just gonna go get 3 more. And then he's like, I'm in so many group chats with people from freaking college and high school, and all they do is send reels back and forth. Like I'll send Amit a reel like once every like 4 days or something like that.
Okay, yeah. I don't think he's talking about that.
But it is annoying that he's never seen any of these movies. And like I send these gifts out. Like, you know how on X I always use Doc Holliday as my gift, as my go-to. He's never seen Tombstone.
I mean, I was watching a reel. Speaking of reels, the other day, and it was a kid, and now you can't ding dong ditch people because they have Ring cameras, but it was basically a kid rolling up on some house, and the lady obviously sees him coming because she has a Ring camera, and she was like, "What are you doing?" And he's like, "Well, I got caught," and she was like, "Do you want me to call your father? Like, does he know you're doing this?" And he's like, "Actually, yeah." And she's like, "What do you mean?" He's like, "What's the hold up?" And you hear the dad like screaming in the distance. And he's like, "My dad thinks it's a core memory and he wants to make sure that I have this." He said he wants to be a part of it, which is true. Like, you think about it, like, you can't like go ding dong ditch people anymore, or like flaming
You can't
poop
do a
bag
lot
them.
of things anymore.
Yeah, I said flaming poop bag.
You cannot do a lot of things anymore, Matt. Why is open trending?
Is it?
I just clicked on X and
Maybe somebody's
Cuomo is trending, open is trending, and Beyond Meat is trending. The question is why?
Steven is trending.
13 fast food double cheeseburgers ranked from worst to best. I love clicking on this stuff because once I go through all of it, it just brings me to another one.
His name's Steve.
I want to find a good one and then we'll bring it up and do it together.
His name is Steve, but so is mine. Steven doesn't know what he's doing.
No, I don't know what I'm doing anymore.
But he hopes you understand.
So, what's the best fast food restaurants? Let's see what the ranking is. I haven't had fast food in so long. Are you a Wendy's, Burger King, or McDonald's guy, Matt?
For what? What are we asking?
Fast food.
Just in general?
Fast food tier list.
Overall, I would say probably McDonald's is the my biggest go-to because I think, I don't know, but I like Wendy's burger meat. I would say the best.
Oh my god! Look what I just freaking found. Look at what we found. I'm gonna have to bookmark this. This is awesome. Look at this. Oh, this is so great.
On the side.
Oh my god. This is so great.
My buddy actually keeps a spreadsheet of
Oh, we do. You want to do this or not, Matt?
Do what?
Like,
Oh, of all these different places, I missed all the places on the bottom.
I mean, I haven't even eaten at all these.
Yeah, one of the ones.
They have freaking How is Wawa a fast food place? Like, I would not put Wawa in a fast food place.
Yeah, I wouldn't say it's
And
fast
how
food.
is Waffle House fast food? I don't get that. And why are we putting Papa John's and Little Caesars here? That's crazy talk.
Steak and Shake? I don't think that's fast food either. Is Jollibee's any good? And one of the places, so when I used to fly into
I wonder what else they have. What other tier lists they have?
so my mom lives near a regional airport, and I used to fly into that before I realized it's just cheap enough to just get rental cars these days to just fly into a major
This
airport and
is
just
so
drive.
freaking cool.
But initially I was flying into this regional airport, and then I'd have to fly through Charlotte. And Charlotte has what's like a big thing in Charlotte. Crap. But everybody, like every time I'd show up at the Charlotte airport, like everyone have these boxes of this chicken fast food place. I just don't remember what it is. It's like Jollibee's or Bojangles. Thank you. And I've never been to Bojangles.
Dude, people are making fun of me about the ads that are coming up on my freaking thing. Because it's Pokemon cards and Porsches.
I mean,
I don't know why Porsche's coming up. I was not looking at Porsches.
I've been talking about Porsche a good bit, so maybe I said it on your stream or something.
I definitely have not looked at Porsche.
Steve already has a Porsche.
I do not have a Porsche.
Steve has a Ferrari.
I do not have a Ferrari.
That's not what I heard.
Oh, you're hearing wrong, sir. You're hearing wrong. This is so great. And this is really great. I mean, where are we putting? Let's do the fast food one. Where are we putting these things, Matt? Have you still not figured out what you're having for dinner?
I ordered
Okay.
Some
like
stuff.
I feel like
Pepper
McDonald's
stir-fry.
has to be A, right? Because you judge everything off of McDonald's,
Yeah.
right? Like that's fair. The McDonald's is an A.
I'm curious. You're a New Yorker. Shake Shack.
I think Shake Shack's greasy, man. I prefer Five Guys over Shake Shack.
I do too. I prefer Five Guys over.
Prefer
My
Five
one
Guys.
buddy is obsessed with Shake Shack, and I'm like,
I'm gonna do it. Chick-fil-A's an S, man. Their chicken is like crack. It's like crack.
I'm a
This
fan
is
of Chick-fil-A.
disgusting. I'll give Domino's a step above.
Can we agree that Subway used to be good back in the day, and that it's just gone completely downhill? Or
I can't agree with that, but sure. I mean, I gotta put Starbucks at A for the coffee. I gotta do it.
where's Dutch Bros?
I've never had Dutch Bros.
Elevation
bad.
Burger.
I mean, I love Baskin Robbins ice cream. I gotta put it up there.
Really?
Their mint chocolate chip is so freaking good.
I forgot that there is a Baskin Robbins. I haven't had a donut in forever, and I was really craving one, an old fashioned glazed. Like on Monday, I think, on my drive in, and so I went to go get one, and I forgot that the donut place I used to go to more frequently, there's a Baskin Robbins right next to it.
How you feeling about this?
My buddy swears by Cookout. Checkers, I thought was always good.
I've never had it in that. I gotta put Five Guys up there. I really like Five Guys.
I do too.
Where do we feel about Buffalo Wild Wings?
Ooh. I think B or C.
Right? Is Boston Market still a thing?
It's still around. Five Guys is expensive. I'm not gonna lie to you.
I don't know, man. So where are we putting Dairy Queen?
I don't know. I fuck with Dairy Queen more than
Same
I should.
here. I mess with Dairy Queen.
Dude.
Like I want to put it in the A, but I don't know. Like
it's definitely not the best quality ice cream, but it's.
Does Dairy Queen go A and we move Checkers to B?
Yeah.
I'm almost feeling that. Where are we putting Krispy Kreme donuts? They're obviously better than Dunkin' Donuts.
I've never had Krispy Kreme from fast food. I've only had Krispy Kreme from like an Acme store, if you know what Acme is.
I do not.
Yeah, Acme, I guess, is kind of like a southeastern Pennsylvania grocery store.
Where are we putting Dunkin'?
I'm not a fan of Dunkin' Donuts.
I'm really not either. I don't think I've been anywhere else on here. I've been to
Panera's. There are Acme's, and Panera's gone downhill, in my opinion.
I mean, KFC, I can't. I'm going to do this. White Castle's garbage. I'm not a Taco Bell fan.
I like Taco Bell, actually.
Never actually been to Sonic. Ooh, is that Cinnabon? Is this what this is?
Cinnabon, yeah.
I get down on that. That's my list. I don't mess with Chipotle, but I'm not going to disrespect it and give it a bad grade. Too many people like it. That's my list. That's my list.
How many can you choose?
All of them. I just never been to any of these others.
Never been to Arby's?
No.
Subway?
Oh, where's Subway? There it is. Garbage.
Whataburger?
Never been there.
Panda Express?
Never been there.
Papa John's?
Never been there.
Popeyes?
I passed by one. I've never been.
You said Shake Shack. You didn't break Shake Shack.
Oh yeah, I'm not a Shake Shack fan. I think it's so greasy. But it's definitely not there. It's probably C. It's definitely not there. I can't disrespect it like that. It's very greasy.
What about Cookout? You ever had Cookout?
Never had Cookout.
My buddies are obsessed with Cookout. But I think it's like a Tennessee thing. Never had Sonic. I actually fuck with Sonic.
Everybody's saying I have to try Popeyes. All right. I will make it a point to try Popeyes.
So Popeyes for me nowadays, I do the blackened tenders. They're fucking super expensive, but I do the blackened tenders and they have a signature hot sauce. And I've been getting that. Because
this is freaking great. No, guys, I've never had Popeyes ever.
I do like Popeyes a good bit.
And the only I'm going to say this: the only reason why Subway's an F for me is because living in the city and growing up in New York, like there's delis everywhere. Like,
New York.
I've never had Arby's. No.
Oh my God. Popeye's ghost pepper chicken wings are good.
I want to see what else they have.
Let's do it.
What
burger
else
topping
we
list?
Get into?
Interesting.
Tier maker.
Cartoon hotties.
I mean, that's a little creepy.
You know, the anime waifu would be creepy.
This is freaking. I'm gonna have to really look into
Scour
it.
this.
Yeah, do they have like a movie one? They got it, right?
That'd be good. AMC shows. There you go.
Really?
Oh, you got to rank the characters or something? I thought
Yeah,
there was
no,
like
I'm not
rank all
doing
this shit.
that. Beer and alcohol, that could be interesting.
His
Fighting,
name's
boxing, UFC.
Stevie.
No way. We need Tanner to get on this.
Call him up.
Oh my god. Are you kidding me right now?
Call him up.
Are you kidding me right now?
Call
All right,
Tevis.
dude, is Tevis up? Do you think?
He just messaged me on Twitter. So yes.
Get him on here.
You get him on here. It's your stream.
Did he really just message you? I don't want to be calling him.
Yeah, you literally just did 10:25 my time.
It's
So
it's 11:26.
well, I'm Central Time. So
Okay, hold on.
we're moving over.
Are you?
Time to put on pants and kick the girl out.
Are you up? Why? He doesn't need to do that.
Time to put on pants and close the bedroom door.
You said he was on X?
Yeah.
All right, hold on.
And when
Heavens.
did Roy
Oh,
message
this is going to be freaking interesting. What?
It's political. I'm not going to read it out loud.
Yeah, don't do it.
But I'll forward it to you. It's so true too.
This is crazy. I really want one of them to come on right now if they're around.
His name's Stevie.
Oh, Tevis is busy.
See, I told you. Tell him to kick the girl out.
No.
Call Trump. Oh, we need a cheesesteak spot? I got cheesesteak spots. If you're in the southeastern Pennsylvania area, let me know. I got some cheesesteak spots. Call Elon. Obama's back in office. He's alive.
Dude, Tevis just sent me a picture. He's with a bunch of people drinking.
Tell him thanks for the invite. TFTI.
Tevis knows how to have a good time. We don't.
I don't. I'm a loser.
All right, well, I'm doing this. Matt, do you watch UFC?
That reminds me, Michelle and Ray, I need to message you. I don't, unfortunately. Oh, you're from Delco? Shit, dude. I grew up in Chester County.
This is wild. I mean, do you go bottom up or top down?
The goat? I need a throat goat.
All right, let's see if they have a movie one.
Ignore that.
Let's see if they have some movie ones.
Where's Ray?
Movies. All right, here we go. Movies. All right, we're gonna do one of them. I'm gonna call it, but this is perfect for Saturday night. Can't wait. Ultimate 2000 movies tier list. All right, let's do this. That's a lot of oh my god, it's a lot of freaking movies.
Dear Lord.
Dear Lord. I can't. Oh, all right. American History X. Good movie.
Great movie.
Casino's a masterpiece. I don't care what anybody says.
You're a masterpiece. Is that Avengers? What is that? Oh, there's a bunch of Avengers there. 12 Angry Men, Cruella. Django is a great movie.
Here we go. Mid. I said it.
$2,000 movies, not 2000s movies.
Oh, that's too much. I thought that's a 2000s. I'm sorry.
Oh, 2000 plus.
2000 plus. All right. We need something a little bit more refined, right?
Yeah, that's a lot. The ultimate
That's a
movie
lot
tier
to
list.
scroll through.
650, the one that's 2 over.
I mean, that's still a lot. What about the IMDb top 250?
Yeah, let's do that.
All right. All right.
Ooh,
So, Matt,
Godfather.
we're going to do this, then we're going to finish. Right off the bat, we're putting Godfather, God tier.
God tier.
Got to, right?
Goodfellas is pretty up there. I would say it's an A at least.
I'm saying God tier.
I like it.
It's so good. Where we all right, so what's this?
I think
Shawshank?
7 is also God tier personally, but
Where do you
I
want
don't
to put
know about
Shawshank at?
Shawshank is definitely in the top third. Amazing
I agree.
masterpiece, God tier.
Is it amazing?
I don't know if it's God tier. I would say
between masterpiece and amazing.
I would say for right now, put it in masterpiece. There's nothing.
We can always move it.
Yeah.
Lord of the
there's
Rings.
nothing.
I mean, it's a masterpiece.
Which one?
That's the original one, isn't it?
I think so.
I think so. I don't think Fight Club. I think Fight Club's just okay. I think it's overrated, to be perfectly honest with everybody.
I liked Inception. I think you said you didn't like it, right?
No, it's a good movie. I just don't think it's freaking godlike.
Definitely not God. I would say it's amazing masterpiece area.
All right, we'll throw it there for now. This is the Two Towers, I believe. I mean, great.
Two Towers was great. Yeah, I didn't like it as much as the first one.
Oh, Empire Strikes Back. Come on now.
Yeah.
Masterpiece. Not God tier, but it's freaking masterpiece.
It's a great movie.
Matrix 1.
I like Matrix 1. I don't know if it's godlike though.
Great.
I don't know.
Amazing.
I would say it's amazing.
Same here. 7. It's a good
I
movie.
think 7 is a great movie.
We'll go really good right now.
Okay.
We can always move it. It's a great movie. You're right. It's a great movie.
I'm curious where you think Forrest Gump sits.
Meh.
Really?
Meh.
I think it's got really good watchability, so maybe that to me means more than. Ooh, I'm curious where Green Mile sits for you.
And how about this? Godfather 2? Just great. Just great.
I'm okay with just great.
It's just great. I'm sorry. Everybody sweats Godfather 2 for no reason. I mean, A New Hope is freaking amazing.
Yeah, I'm disappointed in Forrest Gump. I can
Green
understand.
Mile, good. I mean, it's not.
I cried like a little girl in Green Mile.
Dude.
Never watched it.
Professional. Where are we going with this?
Never watched it. Never watched it.
Wait, no. You what?
I never watched it. Oh, no.
It's an amazing movie, Matt.
What is it? Is it on
Leon the Professional? Really?
Let me see.
How have you never seen that?
Hopefully it's on YouTube.
Pulp Fiction's fucking great.
Just the trailer.
Oh, I mean,
free with ads. Okay, yeah, I can watch
Braveheart's God tier. Sorry, everyone.
Braveheart's
God tier. Sorry.
Where would you put Gladiator? Let's get that out of the way.
Where is Gladiator? What row?
Second row. Yeah, there you go.
I mean, I'm putting it masterpiece.
Okay. For a second, you stopped it great for a second. I was like, really?
No, I'm putting Gladiator masterpiece. Oh, look at Amit lurking in here. I thought this guy was going to sleep. He almost fell asleep on the freaking earnings call. He was yawning in front of 10,000 people.
It's a good guy.
Amit's the best.
Call Amit.
He's the best. Listen, Amit, join the stream if you want. I'll send you a link.
Nah, he's got to get up early.
No, he's not.
I would love for him to join, but I completely understand if he doesn't want to.
No, he's not going to join.
But he also can't contribute to this conversation.
That is so messed up for you to say.
Love you, Amit.
That is so messed up for you to say.
It's so true. What movies are these? Like, you got mad I didn't see Leon the Professional. He hasn't seen 75% of these movies.
I agree, man. I agree. That was disrespectful. If that's the reason you're not coming, come on. Don't.
Please come. I would love for you to come on.
Listen, everybody in the chat, can you let Matt know how good Leon the Professional was, please? By the way, this chat is so freaking great.
Dude, your chat's great. My chat's great too. We have great community.
Yeah, we're so lucky with that. I'm putting Snatch at a great movie.
Leon's amazing. Okay, guys, I have Leon on. It's free with free with ads on YouTube, so I'll watch it.
I'm putting Memento at good.
It's the OG John Wick. You don't have to tell me twice, dude. That's awesome.
Dude. He is the OG John freaking Wick.
He knows milk, dude. Tell me less.
Dude, he's the original milkman.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is. Leon the Professional is the original milkman.
No, he's not.
He is.
Maybe I need to bring it to the office tomorrow and watch it.
Oh man, here we go. Here we go, everyone.
Begins? Does that Begins?
It Begins. It's a masterpiece.
It's pretty good.
And this is going to piss people off.
Yeah.
Scarface is just good.
I don't know. I like it a lot, but
that's just going to piss people off. Maybe really good, but it's not great. And how about this? Meh.
Really? I thought it was good.
Yeah.
I get it. I hear you. I see it.
Oh, here we go.
I was about to ask you about that one because
it's a great movie.
What about Terminator?
Freaking T2 is a masterpiece.
Is that T2 or the original?
T2 is a masterpiece. Here we go, boys. God tier.
What is it? How Heat?
God tier.
Is Requiem in the top 250? I didn't know that.
Let's do it. Wolf of Wall Street, God tier.
I think it's God tier.
Casino, God tier.
Can you run out of space?
Is this alphabetical order? No, it's not. You know what? LA Confidential is a good freaking movie, guys. It really is. Return of the Jedi, people are going to get mad at this. It's just good. It's not like A New Hope or Empire Strike Back. Reservoir Dogs, really good.
I like that.
It's like great.
He sucked.
Okay. He's amazing.
The Book of Eli was really good. Did you like the Book of Eli?
It was okay. It wasn't. Where is it?
Is it on there? I don't know. Somebody said it in the chat. I don't know if they're just chatting or if it's on here. Jurassic Park. Curious where you got that.
Horrible movie.
What? Maybe it was just because I was young and it was one of my first movies.
Warrior. Okay. It's a good movie, but all right, here we go. $1 Million Baby. Really good.
I thought it was good.
Really good movie.
What was the Russell Crowe equivalent of that movie? The boxing movie.
Baby? I don't remember.
It was a boxing movie with Russell Crowe. Do you remember? And it was like during the Great Depression.
I remember it now, but no, I'm not remembering it.
Surprised you don't remember that. I thought it was a really good movie.
I'm going to piss people off. Rocky 1. You ready for this? Okay.
Rocky 1? Yeah, I hear
3 and 4 are better.
Cinderella Man. Cinderella Man was the movie.
Rocky 3 and Rocky 4 are better than Rocky 1. Got news for you.
Dude, Rocky 4 just gets me so fired up.
So amped. All right. I wonder if I make it through Deer Hunter. It's a really good movie. Check out how long Deer Hunter is. Deer Hunter's like 3.5 hours long. It's so ridiculous.
Deer Hunter is 3 hours long.
It's insane. Where are we putting Kill Bill?
Good movie, rewatchability, but it's not a masterpiece.
Right. It's just really good, right?
I would say really good to great. Yeah. But I would say probably really good. Yeah. I think it's a good spot for it. What'd you think of A Beautiful Mind?
It was okay.
Just okay.
It was all right. Have you seen this? I'm shocked that this is on the list. Have you seen Rush?
I have. Or no, I haven't.
I gotta tell you, I want to put it up here. I don't know if I can,
Let me see.
but it's at least here.
You know what I need to do? If free with ads, I'm gonna start ad to queue.
Everybody's saying Rush is dope. Yeah, look, I kind of want to put Rush at amazing.
Leon the Professional.
It could be the best racing movie. Now, I didn't see F1, but it could be the best racing movie behind freaking Days of Thunder.
I like
F1,
F1, but F1 is going to piss off international audiences because how American.
I haven't seen it. I can't say anything bad about it. I haven't seen it. Oh, this is so freaking great. I'm gonna listen, everybody. I'm doing a full-blown movie tier list one night. This is sick. Is there anything else on here I want to throw on? V for Vendetta. People sleep on that movie. We'll throw it on okay.
Just okay? I thought it was great.
Yeah. People sleep on that.
I was a fan.
I mean, how do we not have Die Hard and like really good, right?
Best Christmas movie out there.
See, this is where we're gonna have a problem.
I don't think it's a Christmas movie.
I'm a Lethal Weapon guy.
Oh, well.
I mean, Avengers. Is that gonna say masterpiece?
Which one?
I think it's one.
I don't remember. I want to rewatch all of them.
This is freaking wild.
Dude, glad you got the.
I gotta tell you, I'm not hating this.
I like this list.
I like this list too.
Can you save this? That's my fear. Is that this is going to disappear? Ooh, can you right click so it doesn't eliminate yours? Can you right click on the view community rank?
What do you mean?
You see view community rank above at the top of your screen? You right click on it and open it in a new window.
Yeah. Hold on. It didn't. Hold on.
I'm curious what like everybody says. We can shit on them. Sorry, I didn't mean to completely derail. See, everybody put God tier for Fight Club?
What is it? Fight Club is not a great movie.
Silence of the Lambs, I agree, is an amazing movie. Actually, I would put Silence of the Lambs as a masterpiece. I like
people are ridiculous.
Wolf of Wall Street is amazing, dude. Wolf of Wall Street is God fucking tier.
The fact that they're putting Goodfellas and Wolf of Wall Street in amazing, no.
Who's ranking this? 7-year-olds?
I don't know who's ranking this, but this is not okay. All right, I'm sorry, Braveheart. Okay, no, stop it. What's wrong with you people? This is crazy. I want to see what else they have.
Okay, at least The Godfather is a masterpiece.
I want to go back to movies.
Memes. Ultimate DILF GILF tier list.
What the?
Jesus Christ.
The hell's a GILF?
MCU titles ranked. That's not a bad one.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Oh, the MCU film ranked?
That's interesting.
You know what I need to do, Steven? I was thinking about this.
What?
I need to watch all the MCU in order.
Mm.
And then same thing with Star Wars.
Oh, here's something interesting.
That is great. Open that shit.
How do they have that many franchises?
Dude, Dr. Doolittle. I was thinking about that a couple weeks back about Dr. Doolittle. Not a bad
This is interesting. All right.
Star Trek.
This is wild. So everybody, I'm just letting you know, I'm gonna do a whole freaking series about this. Like whole series. I'm not gonna do this right now. I'm gonna do a dedicated video on this. This is freaking wild.
You know what we need to try, Steven? So you see how you have your screen shared like this?
Yeah.
Can you click on like click on your camera and see if it shrinks this image and blows your image up?
You mean on the layouts?
Like on the screen itself. Like, you know how when you
Yeah,
click and drag or something like that? Like if you click on yours, double click it or something, does it blow yours up compared to the...
Oh, it makes it full screen.
Yeah, try
And I
that.
can't see anything else.
It doesn't... What about on the stream?
No.
It doesn't work? I'll have to try it because I'm thinking like... Yeah. I was trying to think like if you were to... I'm trying to think of a way that we can watch the movies with people in the chat, or like you can stream something. But I know like some people will just like stream themselves watching it. But I'm curious if you have it, like you see how there's a little ad in the lower right hand corner. It's like almost the size of your camera, right, on the screen. So I'm like, if you were to have it that small, would the algorithm be able to pick it up?
I don't know.
And that's kind of my question, is like if you're able to say stream, say the Masters or something on that size, would you be able to stream it and it's still there so people can know, okay, we're in the same spot, or I need to pause for 10 seconds because his show's ahead of mine, or what? Anyway.
Yeah, I don't know. But I'm gonna get going.
You're a good man. My food just got here. It's a perfect time.
Very fun. Appreciate everybody hanging out. This was freaking awesome.
Should I watch Leon the Professional or Rush first?
Get after it. Get after it.
Leon the Professional or Rush?
Ooh. I mean, you can't go wrong. Flip a coin. They're both amazing.
I should look at all these different movies that YouTube has.
It's so good. All right, everyone. Amit and I will be live tomorrow night.
Oh, that's right. Every Thursday? Is it every Thursday? You guys
I think we're gonna do it every Thursday, and I'm gonna do a
awesome
movie thing. This is awesome. All right.
I never watched Black Widow.
Well, appreciate everybody being here, hanging out. Means so much. Glad everybody's having fun and enjoying this. See you tomorrow night, and we got some. Matt, you gonna hang out Saturday night with us?
Yeah, I'll try it.
All right. So Saturday night will be interesting, and then Sunday I have a big interview with Ty from Chasing Cardboard. That'll be really good. I think everybody's gonna enjoy it. Go follow Matt. Tune into Matt's stuff. He does great videos. And we'll see you later. Thanks, everyone.
Love you. How to watch Chron.